Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green gram powder at home. First, gather your ingredients: whole green gram, a clean pan, and a reliable grinder. Begin by carefully inspecting your green gram to ensure it's free from any impurities or small stones. A quick rinse and thorough drying can also be beneficial for optimal results. This initial step is crucial for a high-quality final product. Next, we'll dry roast the green gram. Place your clean green gram in a dry pan over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent any burning and to ensure an even roast. You'll notice a lovely aroma developing, and the grams will turn a light golden color. This process enhances the flavor and makes grinding much easier, typically taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Once roasted, spread the green gram on a plate to cool down completely. This step is vital. Grinding warm grams can lead to a clumpy powder. Once cool, transfer them to your grinder. Process until you achieve a fine, smooth powder. For an extra fine texture, you can pass the powder through a sieve, regrinding any larger pieces. Finally, store your homemade green gram powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Properly stored, it will remain fresh and potent for several months. This versatile powder is excellent for natural skincare, acting as a gentle exfoliant for face packs or a nourishing ingredient in hair masks. Enjoy the benefits of your fresh, homemade powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.